Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone had a good weekend. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. It looks like so right now we just did a stop hunt here. We currently have this SMT high, and this is with the Dow Jones and ES. Both of them did this SMT here. So I do expect. I'm not bearish yet. But I'm gonna expect some form of pullback, maybe to some of these lows here, possibly even this low. So this is what I'm expecting for today. We have all of these are equal lows, so this could be a lot of low-hanging fruit. This is the previous, not this Asia low, the previous session Asia low. So either of these, we can come pull back into these. Preferably, what I would look for, just because if you see this is all consolidation. Preferably, what I would like to see is do this, and then look for buy side, because on the higher time frame we're still bullish, right? So, if you're not comfortable with shorting to these, don't do that. Just wait until time lines up with a purge and an SMT. That's the easiest way to trade. Just wait to see what gets purged. Is there an SMT? Does it line up with time? That's the best way to trade. That's the highest probability. Let's pull up the calendar here. So Monday, it looks like it's a trade day. Tuesday, trade. We have Wednesday. What's this? 80. So every day except Thursday is a trade day, because Friday is non-farm payroll. So Thursday, I would just stay out of the market on Thursday. But it looks like every day is a trade day. Friday, whenever you do trade, I would just wait at least 30 minutes till after the news comes out. I think everybody's pretty good at not trading during major news. So, but yeah, I mean, this is the game plan. If you stay out of the market today, I mean, that's good. If you want, like I said, I am still bullish on the higher time frame. However, keep in mind, we just did a purge here. We have this SMT here. So I do expect a pullback. So, again, if y'all have any questions, y'all put them in the chat. Take care, guys. Let's go over this morning's review that I posted. So I informed you this morning that what I was looking for. I told you I'm still bullish on the higher time frame. However, expect a retracement down lower because of this SMT. So if you look at the indices analyses, the analysis channel, I posted that in there this morning. Once we came down, because this is a retracement down lower, right? It's a manipulation. So what I saw coming in this morning, one, I needed to wait for a time of interest. And again, this is all, it comes down to patience, right? We just have to be patient. We have to wait for a purge, because it's really, it's if we keep it simple, that's all it is, okay? We have to purge a low, and this happens almost every day. The algo cares only about purging highs and lows, okay? So I highlighted this low here this morning. I highlighted also possibly this Asia low, and then I told you this is consolidation, so we can come down here and then possibly come back all the way up here. If you don't believe me, just review that analysis the analysis that I did for this morning. Again, we had this SMT down here. We purged, but the NQ didn't come purge this low. Okay, let's zoom in. After we purged that low, I waited for my window. This is my time of interest from 9:45 to 10:15. Okay, We manipulated lower again, and then once again, we purged this. We had this SMT right here. We purged this at this time. This low here was purged, and this was done by the Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones purged this low, and then as soon as we purge that low, I'm going to zoom in, okay? As soon as we purge this low here, we immediately close bullish, right? Whenever we close bullish, this is your CSD right here, or right here, whichever one you want to. You can use both of these, or you can just use this one here, because both of these together is an order block, or this one by itself is an order block, right? We created this fair value gap, displacement. We went down here, and when I saw this candle open lower, and then the candle was closing. Whenever the candle was closing as a wick like this, I immediately, you can see right here, I pushed the button, right? So I went long right there, and then my stop loss was right here at this low, okay? And then I was gonna target these highs here, and then I highlighted this as buy side. I highlighted this as buy side because these are equal highs. This one, this one, this one, this, all of these are equal highs, and this is consolidation as my low-hanging fruit, okay? So that's why I went long. And then as soon as we closed bullish like that, this candle came, it wicked. When this candle was about to close, I added another entry right there, and then we created this SMT. At first, it was like this. It was like this at first, and then we ended up getting another SMT. But when we came and tapped this candle high, I was using this candle high as support. We wanted to use as support, right? So we had this SMT here. When this candle was closing again, we came, we tapped, and then it was closing as a wick. I added another entry right there. So if I hover my mouse there, you can see the entry. And then we started, I wanted to use this. I highlighted this, so we needed to stay above this. I took partial here. So I highlight my mouse here, you can see. This is the partial that I took, and then I went break even because I didn't think we were going to come back down here. I highlighted this here that we needed to stay above these candle highs. We did. We came, we bounced, we closed bullish. Then I think I went break even, and it barely took me out to the tick. Look at that. So if I highlight my mouse over this, look at that. Barely to the tick, it like stopped me out. Break even. I was right here somewhere. Stopped me out, and then it immediately closed bullish. Like, that's just crazy, man. It's like they knew that my stop loss was like right there. But yeah, so it came, it stopped me out, and then it closed bullish again. So then you can literally start using, because we're in a buy program, we can start using almost any of these highs for support. So like if I draw, look at this, if I draw a line above these highs, look at that, how we just stay above everything until we purge the liquidity, right? So this is buy side. This is your market maker buy model. But we took a piece of the pie. We, just can't be greedy. Just, we're done for the day. Don't go back. Don't go trading. We have to, it comes with experience, but I mean, once you get in, take your partials, take your piece of the pie, and you're done. That's it, man. But I hope y'all ended up catching part of this, and y'all have a good day. Take care, guys.